Okay, so we are at Live Oak Lake. This is a Pulte community. I'm over in St. Cloud. This is Rich Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary. Now this community is kind of in the early phase of it, so to speak. If you are interested in a home here or someplace else, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Looks like there's a lot of construction in this area, so I'm just going to turn around. If you have any questions, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you with your best interest in mind. I do get paid from the home builder or the resale home seller, so my service to you is essentially free as a realtor. And thank you for watching. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe.